5 parties in Rojhilat announced the establishment of Political Forces Alliance. 5 political parties in Rojhilat, eastern Kurdistan, announced that they have formed a new alliance to struggle against the Iranian regime. The agreement aims to secure the Kurdish people's right to self-determination and to build a democratic future. 5 leading parties in Rojhilat, Kurdistan: Partiya Demokratik ya Kurdistanê Iran PDKE, Democratic Party of Iranian Kurdistan; Partiya Cîhanê Azad ya Kurdistanê PJAK, Free Life Party of Kurdistan; Sazumani Sebata Kurdistanê Iran, Kurdistan Organization of Labor Iran; Partiya Azadi ya Kurdistan APAC, Kurdistan Freedom Party; and Komaleya Zehmetkeshan ya Kurdistanê, Kurdistan Workers Association, have announced the establishment of the Iranian Kurdistan Political Forces Alliance. The parties reached the agreement following lengthy discussions and meetings. A statement issued after signing the agreement noted that Kurdish national political movements in Rojhilat, Kurdistan have been organized in their struggle against dictatorship and the central government for years in order to secure their national and political rights. Since coming to power, the Iranian regime has consistently imposed war, executed and assassinated hundreds of political leaders, and killed thousands of young revolutionaries and political activists in prisons. They have turned Kurdistan into an occupied and militarized geography, governed under the repressive policies of the government of the Islamic Republic of Iran, the statement said. The statement continued, "As political parties, we have signed the Iranian Kurdistan Political Forces Alliance in order to continue our work and struggle in response to current needs and the political situation. By uniting our forces and activities in Kurdistan, we have declared a political alliance. This alliance was formed after a phase in which ideas and actions were exchanged within a center of dialogue and cooperation. It has been established to give greater importance to the political activities of Kurds in Iran and to the struggle of political parties against the Islamic Republic, with the aim of securing the rights and freedoms of the people of Kurdistan and building a new Iran. Our primary objective is to struggle for the overthrow of the Islamic Republic of Iran, to realize the Kurdish people's right to self-determination, and to establish a national and democratic structure in Rojhilat, Kurdistan, based on the Kurdish people's national political will. At this stage, we will support the efforts and protests of all nations in Iran against the Islamic Republic. While safeguarding the establishment of a democratic and comprehensive transformation, the foundation of any cooperation and alliance with other parties will be the recognition of national rights, the acceptance of democracy, and the rejection of all forms of dictatorship. We believe in protecting the environment and social justice, ensuring equal rights for women and men, strengthening free elections, guaranteeing the fundamental rights of all ethnic and religious communities in Kurdistan, and establishing a democratic system of governance in Rojhilat, Kurdistan to make the country secure. We regard this as our duty. We believe that political unity, reconciliation among political parties, and their joint struggle are prerequisites for strengthening the Kurdish position within Iran's constantly changing political equations. Therefore, we are ready to cooperate with all political parties outside our coalition.